Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can share internet connection via Bluetooth. So if you want to do internet tethering or hotspot on your phone, but you want to do it by Bluetooth, this is how you can do that. First, you can go to the settings on your Android phone and click on this this network and internet. Tap on that and find the hotspot and tethering options. So let's click on that, and in here you can see the Bluetooth tethering, so you can share phone's internet connection via Bluetooth by enabling this option. So let's just click on this. Okay, now what you need to do is just enabling the Bluetooth on your phone and also the phones that you want to share the internet connection with. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.